Hey friends, and welcome back to my channel. This video is all about fixing the issue with Roblox while trying to launch the game. The Roblox is not launching no matter what you do. You already try reinstalling and many ways over the YouTube, over the internet available, but still you are not able to launch the game. So here I have come up with a perfect solution that will help you resolve the issue. So for that, open up your web browser. And one more thing friends, I have created a dedicated YouTube channel in Hindi language and the channel is started with my own name. So I request all of you to please show your support and do hit the subscribe button to this channel of mine also. I will share the link in the description of this video. So please you must subscribe to this channel also. Now let's proceed with the resolution. Now in your web browser you need to open this particular website which is directly from GitHub. Now in the versions hash, you need to type in the text. At this point of time, you need to try two different options. One of the text I have already provided you. Copy this text from description of this video, paste right over here. Once pasted, click on the option download. Now wait for it. It will take around 1 minute to extract all the packages of the Roblox right over here onto the browser, which will help you fix out the issue with Roblox player not launching or it is not opening in your Windows PC. So you need to wait for a while. Once all the packages are extracted, the download file will be available right in front of you. Now here is the download file. Once it is available, save it onto your desktop. Once it is saved, open the downloaded file. Now here click on the option extract all and choose the option extract to extract the downloaded file right onto your system. Now once the file is extracted, scroll to the bottom and you will find Roblox Player Beta. Double click to launch it and your Roblox player will launch instantly without any kind of issue. One more thing friends, if this doesn't work, then you need to change the name of this version folder. To do so, right click on start menu, choose option run, type percentage local app data percentage and then hit the enter key. Now find Roblox folder over here, open it and open versions folder. Now from here you need to copy this version. Press the F2 key to rename, select all, right click and choose option copy. If you have more than one versions folder, then you need to filter using the date modified and select the latest folder with the name version. Then open up your web browser and this time right over here you need to paste the newly copied version folder and then click on this download link. Once downloaded, launch the same Roblox Player Beta as I have launched earlier and this will completely fix out the issue of Roblox Player not launching. So as of now, that's all about it friends. If you like this video, if this video is helpful to you, please click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon to continue receiving updates from my channel. Thank you so much friends. Thank you for watching.